Yes, sir. Yes, and we can know about the education.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana and SEM TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. One thing that has worried us as a nation, power or a constitution money, the winner takes all. Winner takes all a higher papa. And some say, I thought they'd be a dream one because one government can come and start brilliant things. You now you can see say now these people in this government, they are doing well. They are doing well. And I say ministries be what the people are doing well. But suddenly a new government comes and then all those ministries have to be relegated. You start afresh, new people, new vision, new ideologies. And that has got a lot of Ghanaians thinking because the kind of appointments His Excellency John Mahama is making, all those appointments are showing a particular pattern. And the pattern that is being shown is I am share gross incompetence, others redundancy will come in. Why so? You look at some of the positions, some of the portfolios. There are people who have good attitude, who are good people, but like demeanor and personality and also technical know-how. There are certain ministries they cannot replace the person who has gone out. One of such people is the Ministry of Education. But before I come to that place, let me give you another ministry, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Now look at Shelley Ayoko Bochwe, who is just the outgone Minister of Foreign Affairs, and try comparing her to Okujeto Ablakwa. You see that the pedigree is different. Now you see, diplomacy. Do you think Okujeto Ablakwa can go and stand before Donald Trump and make a case for Ghana? Or you think Okujeto Ablakwa can go and stand before Emmanuel Macron to make a case for Ghana? Or go and stand before the German Chancellor and I say the UK Prime Minister to go and make a case for Ghana? No. So even though maybe Okujeto Ablakwa might be a vocal person in country, when it comes to international diplomacy, a lot of people are doubting that he will be able to even do anything or get anything substantial for Ghana. Right? That is Okujeto Ablakwa for you. Now, so let's come to the Ministry of Education. Before there was a change of government, there was Dr. Adutwum. And Dr. Adutwum is an educationist. An educationist so much so that we've seen that throughout the few period that he has become Minister of Education, he has completely changed the face of that ministry. There are a lot of things that were not going right with the Ministry of Education. But once Adutwum took over, we saw change. From computer placement, how the children are placed and all those things, the fact that people could easily change the position for their children, to the feeding of the children. We were told at some point that there was shortage in the senior high school, how it was handled. Everything showed that indeed this man was an educationist and he knew what he was about. And that is Adutwum. Then from there he went to the STEM schools. You see the way he pioneered the STEM schools, started constructions, the designs and everything, and the vision that Ghana had for the STEM, which is science, technology, engineering, mathematics. So that from senior high school, people can start receiving or developing interest in the sciences. Science will no longer be abstract, that you just draw it on the board and you don't even know what the teacher is talking about. No. Now, the person who's coming is Haruna Idrisu. And we all respect the venerable Haruna Idrisu. He's a top-notch politician. But can he be education minister? I doubt. And it's for that reason that many Ghanaians are now saying, baby, assembly do say there, NDC has to go for Apple.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We need to know about the education. On contact
okay.
Papa, I can Papa, or the year 3 get home. Don't church. One day, on my Pelita for me, future mama. A bar, you must have to or we children, or we know or the one. And also the button, one party of him. Sankamoko, Margina, Uncle Mantenigo Mama, Uncle Sanko, couldn't change our day between. Let human oil. On children for years to be answered. But self-interest is year 40 when you make 110.
All right.
Now, if you have to go for a poor, especially in the Ministry of Education, there are two people you must call on. Number one, Dr. Adutwum. Number two, Napu. Or number three, Reverend Tim Fujo. These were brilliant heads that had implemented brilliant ideas at difficult times in the history of this country. To the extent that even when Ghana had to go to IMF and negotiate a bailout, we also what happened. The free senior school wasn't touched. And it takes a Minister of Education who knows what he's about to be able to do that. For 8 continuous years, free senior high school has been sustained. No issues with it. And no major issues with it. And all that is through the cooperation or through the ingenuity of the ministers of education that have sat through at Akufo-Addo era. For the first time, we never heard of teachers wanting to go on strike, NAGRAT, JNAT, and our concerned teachers and the rest. No. Because there was an effective educationist that was in the helm of affairs. If you compare to the record of the first coming of John Mahama, when there was no chalk in the schools, and then when the teachers were speaking, they told them to use their own salaries. Which salaries were not even coming because people had worked for 3 years, they were paying them 3 months. On top of that, they had cancer allowance and so all these things had plagued the education system before MPP took over. But look at how MPP manages in 8 years, and we are going to lose this, or we have lost this, and we are going back to reset. Now that we have gone back to reset, how do we negotiate our path out? How do we get a way out with the research I opted for? It is all based on the current substantive ministers. They must be humble enough to ask for help. Because once you ask for help, because we is a nation we are building, nobody can say, I won't help you because it's all my party that is in power. Ghana say ma yina entina endro na ye minister ye MP say omutu efese enara ya assassini our parliament. We all want the good of Ghana. Whether MPP is in power, NDC is in power, we all want the good. But it is the people who are there currently who must be humble and approach their seniors, their predecessors, so that they teach them how to navigate their way out through the ministries. This has been the political rant with me, the voice right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye bye, cheers, see you in the next one.